What you decide on really depends on your budget and your personal preferences, whether you're building a custom shower or not. Now, if you happen to laugh out loud when I said budget, believe me, I feel your pain. Here's a great place to start. This is a one-piece unit, fiberglass with an acrylic gel coat. Really does look nice, and what's great about things like this is that these are really very simple to install, so you're going to save some money, not only on the price of the unit itself, but on the labor to put it in. Of course, if you want a bigger one, these do come in different sizes. If you want the tub with it, again, one-piece unit with the tub and the surround. Now, let's say you live in a place where you've got to go up some stairs around these tight corners. You can't fit a whole one-piece unit in there. It's okay because these do come in separate pieces where you can get just the tub and separate units for the back. Keep in mind, though, if you're going to do something like that, anytime you have a seam, you have a possibility for a leak. So, if at all possible, get a one-piece unit. Now, if you'd like to, say, have something a little more roomy, that's kind of tight. In fact, this is rather tight in here, a little confined space. You can get just the pan, just like this, and put, say, 2 walls up and then maybe an enclosure of glass or plexiglass, and it looks really good. Now, if you want to get away from the acrylic look, something, let's say, step up to cultured marble. That's a great choice because cultured marble really is a great surface for a bathroom. They have standard sizes at nominal prices, and of course, what's great about cultured marble is that it also can be custom fit for whatever space you have, and you've got additions like shower seats and of course the shelves for all those shower incidentals. Now, if, say, you do like all that, but you just got to have that tile, got some good news for you too. You can get custom pieces just like this that are actually prefabricated with a backing, so it makes installation a snap.